Now that we have the dots in place, we're going to teach you how to create the final pattern. Start from the top and make a loop around the third point like this. Keeping the pyramid shape under the loop, draw a curved line passing below the fifth point. The next line should surround the 4 points on the left and make a partial square shape. Make a circle surrounding the last point at the end of the line. Repeat the square shape and circle like this. Once you're done, move one space over and make another circle like this. Make sure to begin and end the circle on the correct side. For the next step of the pattern, cross the line and create a horn shape like this. This represents the horn of a cow, which is a holy symbol in India. Make a second horn on the top right. We will continue this part later. Next, make a horn shape on the right side. Make sure your horn is the correct size and that it follows the correct set of points. Use the points to guide you when creating the pattern. When you're finished, you should get this pattern with the two horns facing each other. Begin the same process on the top left corner. Make a line like this. Then make a loop around point 3. Continue with the square shape around the 4 points and finish with another loop around point 3. Then make the horn shapes on both sides like this. Continue this pattern around all of the dots. This part tends to take the most time. Be sure to place the horns correctly. Now it's time to complete the design. Return to the first position where we began making the horns. Look at the circle with the dot inside, just in front of the powder bowl. Then count 4 dots and make a loop around the 5th one. Turn toward the left and turn inward again. Count 2 places and then make a loop to the left around the 3rd point. Repeat this pattern for the entire center of the column. Now let's go back to the horn pattern. Make 2 horns under this circle, letting 1 dot remain in the center. Make 2 horns on opposite sides. Study the video to make sure you're placing the powder correctly. Always count the points if you are unsure. Note that the horns always curve when there is a dot, so try not to make them too long. Now we're going to join the centers. From this point, make a line like this. Do the same for each empty space. And now the column is finished.